exponential function and log function. Basically, log function is the inverse of exponential function. Log function is the inverse of exponential function. Exponential function. Let's suppose I have a generalized exponential function, that is y is equal to AERT. That is an exponential function. Exponential function. We have a generalized function. Now I would see it, हम इसको देखते हैं how this is the inverse function of the log. We take ln on both sides, ln y, ln AERT. We take ln on both sides. We know that we have the properties of ln, that is these two functions are multiplying, so we can add this ln a plus ln e raised power rt. Another property of log function is ln a, when there will be a power of log, it will be shifted to before the ln, so we can write rt ln e, and ln e that is equal to a 1, ln e that is equal to a 1, so we can write it ln a plus rt, and here ln y. Now both of ln I can shift it to the other side, ln y minus ln a, that is equal to rt, that is equal to rt. So I can write it because they are or I can say that is t equal to ln y minus ln a upon r. So this will be a function of log. This will be a log function, which is this is a log function. Log function. So this will be an exponential function, which is the inverse of the log function. That's it.